Increasing collagen levels is all about providing your body with the necessary tools to create collagen. See, collagen is made up of three amino acids: proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline. In most cases, collagen supplements simply provide you with these amino acids so that your body will make the collagen once they all meet up in the gut and get absorbed. But as you may have guessed, most of the time these amino acids don't get fully absorbed, meaning the collagen never ends up getting synthesized. Outside of taking these amino acids, however, there are other compounds and nutrients you can consume to both increase the production of collagen even further or enhance the strength and abilities of your newly created collagen. Here are the top 10 ingredients to take if you want effective and plentiful collagen. Grape seeds. Grape seeds may be seen as waste products to the wine and grape juice industry, but for the health of your skin, they're top notch. Grape seeds contain powerful compounds that bond to and protect your collagen from the effects of free radicals and oxidative stress. This allows your collagen to be stronger while staying in the body for longer. This connection between grape seeds and collagen has been shown to protect the body from premature aging. This bond with collagen has been shown to have a major impact on bone health. Research has found that adding grape seeds to a healthy diet can increase bone density, mineral content, and bone strength. Additionally, by strengthening the collagen in your joints, grape seeds have been shown to prevent bone loss and joint damage in those with arthritis. Next up, Japanese knotweed, or resveratrol. Used traditionally to treat inflammatory conditions like arthritis, Japanese knotweed is a plant that has been found to regulate collagen levels within the joints. This is likely why people with joint issues tend to find relief after taking this plant. Additionally, Japanese knotweed contains a compound called resveratrol, which can enhance collagen production in the body by activating certain receptors. As such, this compound can protect the skin against the UV damage, reduce wrinkles, accelerate wound healing, and more. Beta carotene. Beta carotene is the pigment that gives fruits and vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and papaya their orange, red, yellow colors. But a powerful antioxidant, this pigment does a lot more than just make our food look good. Even just 30 milligrams a day of beta carotene has been shown to significantly increase pro-collagen levels, repair photo-damage from UV rays, reduce wrinkles, and return the skin's natural elasticity. Amla fruit. This little green fruit is loaded with antioxidants that protect the collagen within your body from breaking down. On top of that, research has found that the amla fruit actually helps stimulate the production of procollagen, a precursor to collagen, along with other connective tissue cells, allowing for stronger, more collagen-rich skin. Amla fruit has also been shown to enhance UV protection effects from collagen. Glycine, lysine, and proline. Glycine, lysine, and proline are among some of the main amino acids that make up collagen protein. As such, intake of these amino acids can increase collagen strength and production by providing your body with the tools needed to maintain healthy collagen levels. Sodium. While too much salt can have negative health effects, healthy levels of salt are not only encouraged, but they're necessary. One of the many reasons has to do with collagen production. Research has shown that with the presence of sodium, collagen production was increased in the human body. Zinc. While collagen synthesis requires certain amino acids, the process also relies on several nutrients, one of which is zinc. Not only has zinc been found to stimulate collagen production, but it's also been found to protect collagen levels against harmful effects that would normally strip collagen away. This amazing benefit can allow your collagen to remain in your body when it would have otherwise been destroyed. If you want healthy collagen levels, it's important to maintain the amount of zinc in your body as well. Low levels of zinc have been shown to lead to a drop in collagen. Next, pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid, also known as vitamin B5, is another one of the vitamins crucial to the development of collagen. This is why a lack of pantothenic acid has been shown to reduce the production of procollagen and other crucial connective skin cells. Folate. Folate, another B vitamin, B9, has been shown to boost collagen metabolism, increasing the strength and density of collagen, which in turn improves skin firmness. Vitamin C. When it comes to nutrients that help with collagen production, vitamin C takes the cake. It's well understood and accepted that vitamin C assists the body in the creation of collagen. In fact, one of the main characteristics of scurvy, the infamous vitamin C deficiency disease often attributed to sailors, is the degradation of the skin and the inability to have wounds heal. This is due to the drastic loss of collagen formation within the skin following a loss of vitamin C. Vitamin C has been shown to boost collagen production when needed for repair of damaged skin following photo damage from the sun's UV rays. Additionally, one of the worst lifestyle factors for reducing collagen levels is smoking. Cigarettes drastically lower vitamin C levels, which researchers believe may be one of the main reasons smoking diminishes collagen levels as well. On top of this, vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants you can take in, adding a high level of protection to the collagen all throughout your body.